for those of us living on land, the view is a lot less fluid. What we see out our windows is what we're stuck with, unless buildings could move. That's the vision of David Fisher, who's planning the world's first rotating skyscraper in Dubai.
The Dubai Tower is the first building designed in 4 dimensions. In other words, the first building that continued to change its shape, never looked the same. I call these buildings designed by life, shaped by time.
It's an idea that's literally revolutionary. Each apartment in the Dubai Tower rotates 360 degrees. The views change minute to minute, and the building itself will be constantly shifting its shape. It's a concept that challenges some of our basic notions of what a building looks like and what it can do. Each apartment will move independently.
You can adjust the speed, you can stop, you can adjust command, just voice activated. You say faster, slower, speed 1, speed 2, stop, start, and it rotates. The floor is rotating very smoothly, you don't hear anything, you don't feel anything.
To get into your apartment, you'll take an elevator in the building's stationary core and step out onto the slowly turning floor. Then imagine watching the sun rise and set from the same living room window. Program your home to rotate with the sun throughout the day or stay in the shade. Your view will always be yours to customize for a price. These apartments will cost as much as $30 million each. But on the bright side, you won't pay a penny for electricity.
We decided to put wind turbines between the floors, as we have a space about 2 feet gap between one floor and another. So if I have 80-story building, I have 79 wind turbines. So it is a power station, a green power station. So I can power the entire building with this wind turbine and have some additional power to sell to the neighbors.
Constructing this tower will be as unconventional as living in it. Not only will this be the world's first rotating tower, it will also be the world's first prefabricated skyscraper. Individual units will be built off-site, complete with plumbing and electrical connections, and then hung one at a time from the building's stationary central core. Water pipes inside the core will connect to pipes in the rotating apartments through detachable valves, the same way that aerial tankers refuel jets in flight. By rethinking basic assumptions, architects like David Fisher are pointing the way to whole new ways of future living.
I think that these buildings make people think that everything is possible in life. Whoever had doubts has no doubts now.